Are you looking for a BBQ sauce that's perfect for grilling? One that'll stick to the ribs or the chicken or the vegetables that you're cooking out on the grill? Well, this barbecue sauce recipe, it is sticky, it is delicious, it's sweet, and it's spicy. Oh yeah, and it's easy to make. Welcome to the Sauce and Gravy channel. This is Johnny Mac, and we're going to dive into a Thai-style barbecue sauce. Buckle up, let's go. Okay, let's go ahead and start this barbecue sauce recipe. Grab a sauce pot, throw it over medium heat, and we're going to put in 1/3 of a cup of brown sugar or 82 grams. And this recipe is fairly simple. It's sweet, it's tangy. So next up, some rice wine vinegar. We're going to go ahead and put 2/3 of a cup or 167 milliliters in it goes. And this recipe, it's very quick, it's very easy. Everything's pretty much already prepared for you. There are 2 items that you do have to do a little prep work on, the garlic and the ginger. Grab 4 cloves of garlic, mince them nice and fine, smash them into the board, make sure that they release those flavors, and then throw them on into the sauce pot. Then grab some ginger, mince it nice and fine as well. We're using 1 tablespoon or roughly about 12 grams, throw it on in. And then to add a little bit of heat to this Thai-style barbecue sauce, throw in a little bit of cayenne pepper, half a teaspoon. And then the next ingredient for this barbecue sauce recipe, this Thai-style recipe, some soy sauce to add a little bit of fresh saltiness, a little bit of an earthy taste, just to round out those flavors. As you can see, this Thai-style barbecue sauce, it is just so simple to put together. Really, the hardest part about it is just going to the grocery store just to grab the ingredients, but everything else you just really throw into the sauce pot. And last but not least, to round out these flavors, these Asian style flavors, and really to bring out that Thai type flavor, some fish sauce. 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, in it goes. Now that we have all the ingredients in the sauce pot, go ahead and grab a spoon, give it a twirl, give it a little bit of a mix. We are over medium heat here. You're going to want to go ahead and bring this to a nice simmer. So the goal here is to concentrate the flavors a little bit. Also, we want them to infuse and come out in this wonderful sauce. We want those Thai-style barbecue sauce flavors just to pop out. And then after about 5 to 8 minutes, after it's reduced down, go ahead and grab a cornstarch slurry. To make the slurry, mix together 1 teaspoon of cornstarch and 2 teaspoons of water. Then you're going to want to let this come back to a nice boil. This is real time. I am not editing this, so you can see how fast this is. So I just poured it in, comes to a boil, bam, off with the heat. It's done. It's already thick. It's ready to go. This Thai-style barbecue sauce, it is just perfect for grilling. It'll stick to those ribs, it'll stick to the chicken, it'll stick to the chicken wings, it'll stick to fillets of fish, it'll stick to tofu, it'll stick to asparagus, whatever you're going to use. It has a little bit of sweetness, a little bit of spiciness. It's all around just absolutely delicious. Thanks for watching this Thai-style barbecue sauce recipe. If you try it out at home, please do leave in the comments below how it turns out. I'd love to hear what you have to say. And if you like sauces and gravies and want to jump onto that flavor train, go ahead and smash that subscribe button on the bottom right hand side of the page. And remember, my friends, to live, love, and make gravy.